That you feeble-minded, poor expressions of creativity have come together here tonight to celebrate a new year. What makes you think that your snotting, your screaming, your crying will deter my supreme, enlightened, intellectual capabilities? What makes you think that this year is going to be any different from previous ones? Taking back what the devil stole. Ooh, that's so 1999.
No matter how many demonic hackers you hire, my life will continue to stay free from the virus called sin that seeks a way to get in to corrupt my hard drive and to persuade me to turn and flee from God's will like a refugee fleeing from Haiti. Huh. That's why I'm so thankful I got that updated antivirus software when I quit chasing Beyonce and decided to let Jesus upgrade me. No, but
yes, I am. Hallelujah. Gonna roll up my sleeve and take it back. Yes, I am. He stole your time. He stole your joy. Everything you had. Don't let him intimidate. Don't let him intimidate. He stole your joy. He stole your peace. You ought to take it back.
if God's been good, lift your hands. And lift your hands if you're ready to take something back here tonight. We ain't playing with the devil. The devil thought it was a joke. It was a game. For real. And you know what? This whole thing was an idea of what spiritual warfare really is about. We got a lot of complaints, which was wonderful. All this stuff going on doing prayer, folks distracted, I can't do nothing. Why you think the devil do what he do? If you noticed, and a lot of you would notice this, but if you noticed, the people who were praying, they left them alone. Only folks they was messing with was the ones that were looking around at them. Keep your focus on God and you know that stuff changes. Stuff changes. I'm praying, let me hear you with God. Say it again. Y'all gotta sing that a couple more times now. Alcohol, what y'all got? Come on, y'all think y'all bad? What you got? For real, how y'all talking about? All right. Ted, don't let him do this to y'all now. Come on, Ted. Come on now. Bring it up. Come on. All right.
Now the question is, will I ever leave you? The answer is no, 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 no. It's over now. I feel like I can make it. The storm is over now. Come on and help me say, they're all gone away. I feel like the storm is over now. Can you help me say it's over?
Everybody wave your hands on the side and say, cause here are two reasons why you still alive. Go, your grace and mercy. Everybody wave your hands from side to side and say, your grace and mercy. Cause here are two reasons why you still alive. Bound in fear, even if you bound in sin, our Lord Jesus Christ here, take it in, break a man and shake a man into a faithful man, transform in the mind till he whole again, whole man, turn you to a soldier man, right there on the block where you folded in. All you gotta do is trust in him, rest in him, and pour your heart out to him. Drop your pistols and your dope at the foot of his throne, cause his grace and mercy at the foot of his throne. How do I know? Cause I used to walk in the ways, but my fingers twisted up, representing the game. I'm in a better, yeah, they washed in Christ, repented and baptized in life. Yo, your grace and mercy. Oh, yeah. Born again, I've been born again, born again, born again, born again, born again.
I like that energy. I like that energy. I like that energy. I like that energy. Hey, clap your hands this evening. Come on, come on. Said I'm free from sin. Said clap your hands this evening. Why? I've been born again. Saying clap your hands this evening. Come on now. I said I'm free from sin. Saying clap your hands this evening. Yeah, yeah. I said I'm born again. I say clap your hands this evening. Come on, come on. Said I'm free from sin. Clap your hands this evening. I said I'm born again. Clap your hands.
Go through the city of